Hello, welcome to our channel, Like a Scientist. I'm Senior Scientist Jimbo.
And I'm Junior Scientist Uni.
Hello.
Hi.
So, Uni, what do we talk today?
I know there's something called COVID-19. It's kind of scary.
So, COVID-19 will get you sick?
Yes, of course it can.
So, what can you do with COVID-19?
You can stay at home. You can social distance when you do go outside. 6 feet minimum, and you can always wash your hands and use hand sanitizer.
Can we make it by ourselves?
Yeah, I think you can.
You want to try that?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm going to do some online research to see what do we need, and we're going to put the list over here.
Found the recipe.
What do you need for the experiment? The first thing you need is 91% isopropyl alcohol.
You need hydrogen peroxide.
Then you need 3% hydrogen peroxide.
And you also need glycerin.
You also need a glycerin, 98%.
Glycerol.
Bought this from Walmart.
Yep. You can also call it glycerol.
So you need some bowls for mixing. You need some measurements. So we have a measuring cup at home. We also have measurements for small measurements. This is also tablespoon, teaspoon, and this also have the meals. And we also have smaller measurements. So this one can help you get 1 meal, 2 meal, get stuff out.
Yeah, it doesn't have anything written on it though.
So it does not have anything
Written on there.
We can use this for measurement.
Mm-hmm.
So for the recipe, we're gonna put on it here. You will need 91% isopropyl alcohol, 206 mils. You will need hydrogen peroxide, 3% for 10 ml. You will need a glycerol, that's for 2 ml. And then you need water, 32 mils. In total, we are going to make it 250 ml.
250 ml.
That's roughly more than 8 ounces.
Okay, so
the first thing we are going to do is measure out 206 mils of isopropyl alcohol. As we have
we have some of these.
We have some of these which can measure 200.
And then we have this thing. Let's go get it. Now this thing where it can measure out 6. Hoping it's down.
Yeah, we can use this.
We can use this. We can use this. We can use that.
Yes.
I have a lot of things to use.
So we are going to use a marker bottle to measure 206 ml. 206. So there is a mark here says 200, and when we see 200, and then we will add 6 ml extra, make it 206. So
Dad, can I do it?
Yes. So you're gonna pour it around here until you reach 200.
Still pouring. Okay, alcohol.
So this is roughly 200.
Yeah, roughly. You can want to pour it. After we need to measure 6 mils.
Yeah, of that.
Jimbo can do it. I don't really want to spill it. It's kind of tedious, because you can do this too, but you must as like every experiment.
6 mil, we're gonna
Roughly.
put it in.
Put it in.
That's what will be 206 mil.
Okay.
After this, we are going to measure
The hydrogen peroxide.
10 ml hydrogen peroxide. Yeah.
Yeah, I just got my new shirt, didn't you? Guess you should wear an apron if you can. You're just gonna wear this apron because it doesn't want to get dirty again.
Put it in. So I have this. Can measure 2 mil. I'm gonna use this to measure 2 mil. 2 mils will be roughly like this. That's about 2 mils. I'm going to, yeah. 2 mils is similar as this. So this is 10 mils. 2 mils roughly over here.
Roughly. It's roughly.
Roughly 2 mils.
Roughly.
Should be 2 mil.
So we're gonna add the glycerol.
Glycerol. Then we need to add 32 mils of water.
First we're gonna do 10. And after we're gonna do another 10 and another 10 until we reach 3.
10.
And after we're gonna add 2.
We're gonna put it here.
Put it in.
Put a funnel in.
Put it in.
10. You need 32 mils, so we're gonna do 10 more.
10 more. Then after we need another 10, and after that we don't need any more 10s, because after we just add in 2. Hey Jimbo, where's I was
10.
lost.
Then we will do
Jimbo,
2
did you
more.
add in the hydrogen peroxide now?
Yeah.
Okay, go on this pen. Yeah, sorry about the flashing. It's just something. Yeah.
So then we have
Some liquidy.
our liquid all done.
So now you have to put this in a thing where you can dispense.
So
Yes,
then
you
you should stir this.
Stir this with a spoon. Can I do this? Kind of hard. Maybe you should put on the lid and shake it though.
Yeah, maybe put it in the lid and rotate it, shake it.
Next it's tail, so we're gonna get. Okay, yeah, sorry about the flashing. Okay, I mixed it. I shaked it. Do you want to try it?
Mix it.
Shake it. Okay, gonna take off the apron. Okay, back.
So when you're all done, if you have an empty hand sanitizer bottle,
yeah, we just used the soap bottle. We emptied it out. We cleaned it.
then you can
Put it in.
put it in,
Put it in.
and you can use it.
Yes.
Some of you think, oh, that's super complicated. Are there easy ways to make hand
Yes,
sanitizer?
I just told you one.
So, Yoni gonna show us some easy ways to make hand sanitizer.
Some aloe vera gel. Sorry about the
And,
flashing. Again. And some hand. And some alcohol.
91%.
I'm
So we have 1 cup
alcohol. You can
alcohol.
put it
Then we're gonna have half cup
in. Of
aloe gel. Then we're gonna mix them together, and that will be easy
Okay, you
homemade
think this
hand
is
sanitizer.
half a cup.
Yeah. So we have
About.
half cup,
You can use a spoon.
1 cup. We can mix them together with a spoon.
We're just gonna use the spoon. Open the spoon.
Maybe you can mix them.
Yes. Scrape it out. Scrape it out. Also, you can just mix.
Because our aloe gel is
Green. You can
Green.
use clear ones too.
if you
Clear
like.
ones. But for the hand sanitizers, if you want, you can use some food coloring, and after you can put a drop in. This one we didn't actually make by ourselves. This one is just store-bought Germex. We put a drop of food coloring in, and now it's just pretty red / pink. So yeah, it's very cool.
So when we're all done,
You can put it in the soap
you can
bottle.
put it in
We
the
already
soap
made
bottle.
some of this earlier. They're the same thing, so we just
And then you need a funnel.
funnel. A
Then you're
funnel
gonna
is best.
Put it in.
Put it in. Maybe
So,
hold this.
maybe put it
Hold
in
this.
this one, in this
Put it
bowl.
in the bowl.
And I'm gonna use a
And
funnel.
then
And then we are going
just
to
scoop it up.
dump it in,
Dump
put
it
it
in.
in.
And let's just try.
No, stir it.
This is
Stir it.
so close.
Yes, slowly. Yeah.
There's something in there. Once you basically pour it in, just cut this. And yeah, you gotta wash it yourself. Because you don't want to use this funnel when you're making some nice good old carrot cake. Yeah,
Then you should label it as
hand
hand
sanitizer. You can
sanitizer.
either just write it on. We use some sticky stuff. We use some stickers. Which stickers?
So people can use it.
Yes, you can use it. It's
without
homemade. Hand
misusing it.
sanitizer. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed.
So today we
doing this
have
one.
made
We have made two hand sanitizers.
2 hand sanitizers.
Then,
One is the easy version.
then and that
One is
the
the
other is
professional version.
the Hello
Those are
Germex.
comparable with the professional, commercial ones.
But hey, Jimbo,
Hmm.
how
Oh,
does
okay,
hand
yeah.
sanitizer work?
Okay.
Let's
Now we have made hand sanitizer. Now how does hand sanitizer work? How do you use it?
by basically, you get the hand sanitizer, you get this, you pump it, and after you use your hand, and after you just rub it together.
Can you show them?
Like this, just gonna rub it together.
Yeah.
And
Don't wipe it off before it's dry.
And then after, kill most of the germs. It kills, let's see, this one kills 99.99% of all the germs. If you want, you can add some sand. For example, I don't know, so a drop of lemon to make it smell better.
So hopefully you can try to make your own hand sanitizer at home. If you like our channel, like a scientist, why don't you?
Just like the videos, subscribe, and turn on all notifications.
See you in the next episode.